Away they go. Dance Fever from the outside. The Chosen One down on the inside. Bonjour. Dare to Dream, Slingshot Effect. And Keep Your Distance. Running by Darrell. The Chosen One by Hopland, followed by Dance Fever in second. The Chosen One by Lincoln Hub, Dance Fever in second. Dare to Dream is running in third alongside Slingshot Effect. Keep Your Distance. Bonjour is running at the tail of the field inside the last 700. It's now Dance Fever from the outside. The Chosen One, Slingshot Effect on the outside, taking the second spot. And rounding the far turn, Dance Fever by Hopland, followed by Slingshot Effect in second. The Chosen One racing third by about 4 lengths alongside is Dare to Dream and Keep Your Distance as they race the final corner. Dance Fever by Alan Canaf, Slingshot Effect in second. And ring the last 150 meters more to run. Dance Fever by Alan Canaf, Slingshot Effect still in second. Dance Fever, Slingshot Effect on the outside, but still Dance Fever, Slingshot Effect on the outside, and finally it's going to be Dance Fever, Slingshot Effect, Bonjour, Close, Keep Your Distance, The Chosen One, Dare to Dream.